Hey guys, I wasn't planning on filming this video, but I felt like I needed to go ahead and get it up and stop pushing it off. So in my last video, I did an update on my dogs, Chase and Indy. I have Chase right here. And I was telling you guys that Chase had bad teeth that needed to be removed. He went in to get his shots, all that kind of stuff. I'm not sure what else I really talked about. So I'll go ahead and kind of go over the whole situation again, sort of, just to summarize what's going on. So I knew that Chase needed to have his teeth worked on, so I went ahead to get him updated on all his shots, and they gave me we scheduled an appointment to get him a booster shot. So 4 weeks later, I took him in to go get his booster shot to complete all his shots so that we could get his teeth pulled out, which there's like 5 or 6 teeth that need to come out. It was 4, but now it's like, I don't know, it's between 4 and 6. Anyway, I took him to the vet to get his booster shot. He's got this lump on the side of him that I mentioned to the vet. She's like, oh, just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't get bigger. And it was still there 4 weeks later, so she's like, do you have any concerns? And I said, well, the only concern I have other than his teeth would be this bump on his side. So while she was in the back giving him his booster shot, she randomly decided to poke the lump on his side. And she comes out and she's like, while I was back there, I went ahead and just poked it to see what was inside of it, see what's going on with this bump. About 20 minutes later, she comes back in and she says that she looked into the lump on his side and that Chase has cancer. So she said before I do anything with his teeth, she would suggest, if it were her dog, she would get the cancer removed from him as soon as possible before it gets any larger, spreads to any other part of the body. So basically, I am trying to save up. I have some money put aside for him, but this was very unexpected. I was not expecting him to go into the vet and come out finding out that he has cancer. He's gonna be 5 years old next month. He's not a very old dog. And I thought it was just like a bug bite or a pimple or something. I was not expecting her to tell me that it's cancer. So just to update you guys, there's your update. I went into the vet to get his booster shot and come out finding out that Chase does have cancer on his body and I need to get it removed as soon as possible. I've noticed that it's been like fluctuating in size. Like one day it'll be little tan bump, the next day it'll be like big red and inflamed and he'll lick it like it's bothering him. I'm at the point where I'm like afraid to look at it. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about him getting his teeth pulled out. I definitely don't want to think about him having to have surgery on cancer. So I'm kind of freaked out and stressed out about it because obviously I love Chase. He's like the sweetest dog ever and he does not deserve this at all. And it really worries me. So what's going on is they have to cut the cancer out and then send it in for testing to see how bad it is. It could be either level 1, 2, or 3. 1 being like it could be nothing. 2 meaning it could be something that's gonna keep reoccurring. 3 meaning that he would need chemotherapy and radiation and everything to get rid of it. So I can only hope that it's a level 1 and that it's not too much to worry about. But either way, it's going to have to get removed as soon as possible before it does continue to get bigger and or spread on his body. If you guys want to help me, I was not prepared for this mentally or financially. This was very unexpected. So if you guys want to help me get rid of Chase's cancer, I will link a GoFundMe in the description down below, and any donation that anybody makes would be amazing. I'm worried about little Chase. Like I said, he's so sweet, and I was worried about his teeth, and now I have his teeth and the cancer to worry about. So if anyone would like to make any donations, that would be extremely appreciated. I'm not saying that you have to. I'm not like begging anybody to, but I know that a lot of you do love Chase, and you've practically seen him grow up on my channel. So if any of you would like to make a small donation, like I said, the GoFundMe will be linked down below. I'm not expecting anything, but I know that some of you have been so kind and so sweet, and I really appreciate you guys. So thank you for that. So that was just my little update on him, and hopefully everything is going to be okay. I can only hope. Like I said, I don't really want to think about it too much, but yeah. That's all for this update, you guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being so supportive of Chase. And I will keep you guys updated and let you know what's going on. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.